Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia if you're new here, and today I will be talking about grants. So make sure you do watch the video all the way through just so not miss any information. I don't want you to apply or go to apply and then you miss something. So the first grant I'm going to be talking about is the yearofsmallbusiness.com. This grant is actually brought to you by MasterCard, and it's a $5,000 grant. This grant was actually just released on April 5th. So today's April 7th at the time of this recording. So this is pretty new. I'm bringing it to you fresh out the box. And this grant is $5,000. And this is a quick eligibility, but I'll go into a little bit more detail to make sure you do qualify. So eligibility must be a for-profit business, have less than $1 million in 2020 gross annual revenue. So you want to make sure for 2020, they said that specifically, and have a commitment to their customers and community. And this is important, which I will go into on the application. And you want to have a clear plan for the use of funds. So they want to know, how are you going to use this money, ma'am or sir, please? So you just click the apply now button. It's going to take you to Hello Alice. If you don't have an account, you do have to register an account in order to apply with them. And then I want to show you the application here, or actually the terms and conditions. All right, so for the terms and conditions for this particular grant, like I said, it was just released on April 5th. The close date is May 20th. So you guys have quite a amount of time to make sure that you go and apply for this. The review period is going to be from the 23rd of May to June 24th and announced in mid-July. And for the grant, the things outside of what they listed prior, you do have to be an entrepreneur with one of the leading executive roles. So CEO, CFO, COO, a legal resident of one of the 50 states, and then including DC or Puerto Rico, 18 years of age or older, or 19 in these two states right here. And then they tell you no purchase necessary or other costs to enter the program. I do want to show you the application. So for the application, I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty extensive application. Before the application, in the beginning, they're actually pretty basic things like your name, phone number, things like that. If your gender, if you identify as like LGBTQ, things like that, have a disability, any military affiliation, things like that. As it gets deeper into the application, they do ask you about technical things about your business. So like your business EIN number, the name of your business's entity. If you have any questions or you need to get your EIN number, check out my EIN video. I do show you, if you lost your EIN, how to get that, or if you need to register one, how to do that. So make sure you go check that out. This is where they ask at number 20 for your EIN. Your business website, I have resources down below for that. And then your business's social handles, if you have that. Notice they're not required, so you don't need to have all of these socials for your business. And then they tell you to select your business industry, pretty self-explanatory. What I wanted to show you is they do have a questionnaire, and they do say that this part is pretty important. And also they do ask you your business and the community. So how do you make a positive impact? It looks like they're very focused on making sure that your business has a positive impact. So you want to make sure that you exhibit to them how important your business is to the community and how much they contribute to the community. So they talk about that there, how to make a positive impact through the core business. Are you creating jobs, paying employees, offer paid time off for employees? Like, what are you doing for your business to contribute to the community? So this is what I was talking about. The most important part, they basically ask you, this is one of your important, this is an opportunity to share with them the most important parts of your business in like a 250 words or less questionnaire. So one of the questions, they tell you, why did you become a small business owner? And what is the origin story of your business? And then they ask you what problem does your business seek to solve, and who are your customers, and how does your business uniquely meet their needs? And then they also ask you, how does your business connect with or support its community? So again, you're seeing a lot of questions surrounding your community. So make sure that you dive deep and think of all the ways that you serve the community, right? and make sure you exhibit that in your application. So that's pretty much the application in a nutshell. If you're trying to get money for your business, then I do have an ebook on how to build business credit. I was able to build business credit to open up my party store, getting up to 96K. So I'll show you step by step how I was able to open up my party store using only business credit. So make sure you definitely go check that out. The link will be in the description box and in the comments. For the other grant that I have for you today, it's they're offering 2 grants. So it's either or. If you win first place, you'll get $10,000 grant, and then the second grant is going to be for $5,000 for the runner up. And this is with Nav. If you're not familiar with Nav, I recommend them. You can get a free account with them. I recommend the paid version, but if you want, starting out, get the free account with them, because if you're trying to build business credit, they allow you to check your business credit and what's reporting to it and give you your business credit score. So Nav is really good it's like the Credit Karma of business credit, basically. So I love Nav. And so these are the prizes that they're offering, and they make it clear that the check will be made out to your business. So in order to apply, really quick, the dates are, it closes April 23rd, and voting for the submissions close April 25th. And so you have to be a Nav customer, and you can sign up for a free Nav account. So if you don't really have a need to have a paid account with them, you can definitely sign up for the free account. And then you fill out this form below. So ask for basic information: name, email, business name, state. If you win the $10,000 for your business, they want to know what you're going to spend that money on. And then they ask you for your social media links, social media profile link. And if you win the $5,000, the runner-up money, then what are you going to use that money for? You submit that. Then you go to step 3, where you want to write a post on your business's Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn account. Any one of those. It doesn't have to be all 3. And then you want to provide your unique voting link. When you do step 2 and you fill out this information and you submit it, they're going to give you your unique voting link. That's where you're going to enter in your unique voting link when you're doing your post on this social account, right? And then you would make sure you use the hashtag Nav Small Business Grant. This is an important step. They let you know, and so their team can see your post. They're going to look up the hashtag, and they're going to see all the submissions. So you want to make sure that you definitely put the hashtag and you use the unique voting link. And then you want to briefly explain, either in a video or like a picture post or whatever the case might be, what your business does, a challenge your business has overcome in the past, and that what you guys continue to struggle with, and then how the grant funds will help you overcome your challenge, and detailed specifics about how you plan to use the prize money again. Also, they do tell you, do not use a story as your entry post. This will disqualify you, because if you do a story, it's going to expire. They won't be able to see it. And then they tell you clearly you want to use, do not do a story. And so they share your posts and encourage your followers and customers to vote for your business. And people can only vote one time for the grants. So the post can either be written or a video, but they strongly encourage videos. And then also, this is major key, they also tell you before you apply, right, you want to make sure that you look at winners. So who has won in the past? Go ahead and kind of get an idea of the type of values and information that they're looking for. And I mean, this is with a lot of things in life. You want to see, kind of what somebody successful in what you're trying to do has done, not necessarily take what they have done, but be encouraged and inspired, and kind of look at the angle at what they're coming at the information at, because they've won, so they can teach you something. So definitely, if you want to apply, make sure you check out that video. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So that's it for the Nav Grant. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you ask me down below. Again, if you're trying to get money for your business, make sure you check out the Business Credit Finesse, the ebook on how I was able to build business credit to open up my party store. If you guys have any questions, ask me down below. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.